So we're going to be doing a special unboxing today, new Apple product, as you can see right here. And what is that Apple product? As you may see right here. There we go. The HomePod Mini in all its glory. So we're going to be unboxing this, and cue that intro so we can get right into the unboxing. Here we go.
We got the new released Apple HomePod Mini
in space gray, because you probably saw a lot of white unboxing, so we're going to do a space gray unboxing. So let's get this thing open right here.
There we go.
Mini.
Oh my
Let's
god.
throw the plastic
It's like a
away.
beauty. It's like a beauty.
Open this up.
Oh my god.
Very slow.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh
my god.
This is small. What?
Wait, hold on a second.
Look at this. Look at this compared.
This is an iJustine thing, and I like doing it. Smells good, the box.
Okay, look at this compared to this.
Okay, when you're watching these unboxings in the video and the pictures online, it seems small, but when you hold it in your hands, you do not realize how small it is.
So we got the cable
and
here.
It's an attached cable. Hold on a second, look at this cable. It's braided. We got, what do we got in here?
Thank you.
We got paperwork. Please tell me Apple stickers. Yes. One Apple sticker. There we go, right there.
Okay, I'm ready.
Put this
ready? We're gonna reveal it. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah.
Oh. Hallelujah.
Okay. This is amazing.
I'll close this box back up because we don't need it right now.
Okay, we are going to try this out.
Okay, so we're gonna plug it in right now. Moment of truth. Did it work? Oh.
Hopefully you can see this.
Yeah.
Oh.
That is a nice animation. So, okay. I'm screen recording right here, so we're gonna hit setup. This is going to be in my bedroom. HomePod can recognize your voice also, so we'll do a recognize. We're not gonna do a recognize my voice. We'll leave that off for now. I might turn around later. Personal requests, you can do like next appointment. I'll leave. We're gonna agree to the terms and conditions. We're gonna transfer my settings. Oh, and we gotta move your hand for a second there. Oh, that was cool animation. Oh wow, it's setting up right now.
It's amazing. What?
Connection failed. Oh, iPhone is listening for an audio passcode. Make sure it's near the HomePod. Okay, so I did not know that it was looking for an audio passcode. I did not know that that's what it was looking for because we were talking. So we gotta be quiet this time. Second attempt.
Oh, it's connected! It connected!
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, let's get started. Say, what can you do?
What could you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, play some music.
Play some music.
Okay, here's a station just for you.
Okay, so we're gonna pause that because we don't want to copyright strike. No, pause that music. Okay, so this is obviously really nice, and the reason I was out from the room was because I was trying to get a better Wi-Fi connection, so I left for a second, so just ignore that. Okay, so we got intercom here. We're gonna test intercom. Choose when notifications are delivered to this iPhone anywhere. I'm going to select anywhere. Choose who can use the intercom app. I'm gonna blur those names out. We'll do the HomePod recognition after. When's dinner ready? When's dinner ready? Okay, that was a little bit of a delay because I didn't realize it started the home connection. So one downside to this HomePod, I think the white version doesn't have this problem as much, but as you can see, I don't know if you can see here, there's a lot of fingerprints already, and we just unboxed this, which is not the greatest thing, probably on the space
But you can wipe it.
But yeah, you can just get a microfiber cloth, clean it off. It's not a big deal. So we're going to be doing some sound tests with this HomePod to compare it. We're also going to be comparing it to other speakers. We want to show you what it sounds like. We're going to be comparing it to the Google Home Mini, one speaker, the Bose SoundLink Color 2, and the Ultimate Ears Mega Boom 3. We got 4 Bluetooth speakers. The Google Home Mini and the HomePod Mini are wired. These two are battery operated, but we're still going to compare them all either way. They come at different price points. We're going to show you the prices for these speakers in Canadian dollars and then compare them all with a non-copyright song because we don't want to get copyrights. So it's going to be a royalty-free song. So let's get to those tests.
So the price of the Ultimate Ears Mega Boom 3 Bluetooth speaker is 249 Canadian dollars. The price of the HomePod Mini is 129 Canadian dollars. The price of the Google Nest Mini is $69 Canadian. And the price of the Bose SoundLink Color 2 is $169 Canadian. Time. This one is first, without a doubt.
Yeah, very loud. Also, more on the expensive end.
Yes. This is a close second. It's a very good product for what it is.
Third place.
Third place right here. Fourth place. This needs to work, but it's all right. These two are old.
But obviously these are better. They're more on the bit of the higher end. These two are in the same general price range, I'm pretty sure. This one's on the lower end price range, just on the higher end price range.
Links down below to get every product here.
Yeah, there'll be links in the description. And that's it for today's video.
That's it for today's video, guys. If you want to like, comment, subscribe, and if you could please leave that notification bell.
Leave the notification
bell. That would mean the world.
It would mean the world to us. We really appreciate it. And let us know in the comments down below what's your thoughts on this speaker and all the other speakers compared to.
Let's let Apple HomePod Mini take it away.
Peace.